Hi. If your uploads on Google Drive stuck and you have no solution to it, then this video is really gonna help you the best. Here, in Google Drive, you can see this 2 GB of files is stuck for several hours after 50% upload of the total file. Here you can see the upload speed is some kbs, actually the file is not uploading at all. Generally, I get 3 to 5 megabits per second. Even if I upload a new file, the speed doesn't get increased at all. But the time has increased. So, let's fix it without re-uploading the file from the beginning. Now simply go to the URL, copy it, and paste it on a new tab. Enter it. The page is loading, and now if I check the first page, yes, it's increasing. The upload is started again with the same speed I got at first. Now, I do not need to restart the download or close the browser without uploading. Isn't it cool? Did it work for you? Let me know in the comment box. Joseph IT always tries to bring real-life problem solutions to its viewers and subscribers. Please be with us and also subscribe to let us grow further and make more content. Goodbye.